Grand Cayman, Grand Cayman, morning coffee on the beach, salt on your shoulder, baby. Sand on my toes, I smile. You look at me and sway me. Grand Cayman waking up slow, palms moving like they know. We got nowhere to go, so take my hand, let's roll. One more sip, then we go.
So here we are, Destination Paradise Adventure, downtown Grand Cayman, Georgetown. Just finished some ice cream. And one thing that we happened to notice that was quite unexpected is the locals, who have a tendency to kind of hang around a lot. We always seem to have these little friends who decide to come and say hi. I'm not sure if you can see the babies are way over there, kind of off doing their own thing. But yeah, one of the most unexpected things about Grand Cayman.
And they're very friendly.
They're very
They
friendly.
just walk around. I think they're expecting a little food.
They're great alarm clocks. First thing in the morning, and they're they're actually everywhere. It's like everywhere we go,
We'll take more.
we see them.
More footage.
Yep. So we've been from one side of the island to the next, and they're everywhere.
Some are like water, some are like the heat. Some are a melody and some are the beat. Sooner or later, they all will be gone. Why don't they stay young?
Just one more time. Give me the feeling again. Just one more time. Won't you give me the feeling that I'm forever young? Forever young. I want to be forever young. Forever young. We really want to live forever. Forever young. I wanna be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever. Welcome to beautiful Grand Cayman. Today we're in Bodentown. And it's a public holiday today. It's Ash Wednesday. And we're here at the agricultural show fair in Bodentown. As you can see, it's there's all local produce for sale. There's local crafts. There's even an agricultural show of livestock and animals. So we're just cooking here. It's very warm, but it's so much fun.
All right, so Destination Paradise Adventure coming back at you again. We are at the agricultural farmers market here in Bodentown, correct? Yeah.
And it's Ash Wednesday. It's a public
Ash
holiday
Wednesday,
here
yeah.
in Grand Cayman.
Yep.
So everyone's off work.
We've already got a little bit of coconut water for hydration, and now we're about to try the conch, right? The
Conch fritters.
Conch fritters.
Yeah, it's an island delicacy.
Yeah, so first time they literally made them fresh for us. So we're super excited to give them a try.
Shout out to Gigi's Kitchen.
Yes,
Right?
Gigi's, correct.
All right, he goes.
So
First time.
let's give it a try.
And for anyone who doesn't know what conch is, conchs are those big shells that you kind of see and you put them to your ear and you can hear the ocean, supposedly.
We'll see if we can find a few of them. We've seen them randomly around the island. So we'll see if we can find a couple of them. So be sure to stay tuned for some of our future release videos, and we'll highlight you and show you one that's hasn't been eaten yet.
Conch fritters, yes, definitely. Definitely good.
recommended. So, as always, like, subscribe, share your videos, and we'd love to hear comments about whether or not you guys have ever tried the conch pit or conchs or anything like that, or anywhere you might like to see or things for us to try.
Morning coffee on the beach, and on my feet, you next to me. Bare toes, salt on the cup, Grand Cayman waking up.
You laugh when the tide rolls in. Phone me sitting again. One slow sip, one bright kiss. Start the day like this.
Say my name, pull me close. We got time, we got coast. Blue sky calling us out. Baby, look at us now. Grand Cayman, take me there all day. Grand Cayman, coffee in the spray. Grand Cayman, we don't need a map. Grand Cayman, just your hand in mine. We ran a little red fire, all the line through the dark.
Mangoes bend like they know us. Crabs and oh my goodness. Okay. Here we are in the Blow Holes, Grand Cayman Islands. And Mr. Destination Paradise Adventure is braving the blowhole. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah. Oh, and here comes another one. Wow.
That's incredible!
It's just nature at its finest. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Wow!
Wow. Well, that looks like fun.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
that's
do it.
something else, I tell you. Holy smokes. Careful. One more.
Coconut shade on your shoulder, warm wind on my skin. You say let's keep moving, so we jump back in.
Say my name, pull me close.
We got time,
We got coast.
blue sky calling us out. Baby, look at us now. Grand Cayman, take me there all day. Grand Cayman, coffee in the spray. Grand Cayman, we don't need a map.
Hey, Mr. Paradise, what are you eating?
I don't even know. I'm too overwhelmed with emotion right now. Do you remember what it was called?
It was the Baked Alaska.
Baked Alaska.
Yes.
Here at Tillies on 7 Mile Beach. I think this is probably by far the best dessert I've ever had in my entire life. We have everything from a chocolate cake on the bottom, mango sherbet, raspberry, I think that's raspberry sherbet on the top, and then covered in a meringue, topped with a flambe rum coating.
Yep.
And Oh my god. The combination of all of them, the textures, the flavors, the temperatures. You have warm combining with cold, combining with savory and sweet and smooth, and like it's just this, it's overwhelming in a good way. I don't think I've ever in my life ever had a dessert as good as what this is.
Yep.
So if you guys are ever in Grand Cayman and you ever get the opportunity to check out Tillies, you have to try this dessert. It is literally next level. The whole dinner has been a wonderful experience. As you can see, right, like how can you beat this? We have our feet in the sand as we're having dinner. So it's a phenomenal
Beautiful.
experience. I really wish we would have done a full review. We wanted to just kind of enjoy the evening for ourselves. But after experiencing this, we had to let you guys know about this and experience it. And like I say, if you're ever in Grand Cayman in around the 7 Mile beach area, you gotta come to Tillies. It's the next level.
Still, I want one more night to say.